Welcome to my third video for Chapter 5. This is Using Previous Versions, Activity 5.6. You can use previous versions to restore an older version of a file from backup or a shadow copy. This can be useful if a file is accidentally modified and saved. Here we will enable shadow copies for a partition and then test the functionality of previous versions. So to begin, we're going to copy the marketing documents folder from H to C. So we're going to go to H, marketing, we're going to copy, and we're going to paste it into C. And there it is. All right. Now we're going to start and go to our control panel, System and Security, and click System. In the task list on the left side of the system window, click System Protection right here. In the Available Drives area, select Local Disk C System. And there you have it, Available Drives, Local C, and then click the Configure button. Oh, note the max usage reported as a percentage of current disk space. It previously was at 5, and so you can move it. However, in this exercise, we are going to go ahead and put it at 15 and leave it there. And then we want to hit OK. That's max use as a percentage of current disk space. Increase the maximum space. Make sure you have 15%. Click OK to save your changes. Then we're going to go here to Create and create a new restore point immediately. Here we are prompted for a description of the restore point, and so we're going to type shadow copy 1 here. Shadow copy 1 and click Create. It will take a few minutes to create this restore point. It only took about a minute the last time. So, but since I had to restart my computer, I'm going to go ahead and minimize and pause for a second. Yeah, that was about all the time it took, about a minute and a half. The restore point was created successfully. Yay! So now we can click Close. Click OK to close the System Properties window and close the System window, and if necessary, open Windows Explorer. So we're going to close this, and in the left pane, expand Local Disk C and click Marketing Documents to display the folder contents. Double-click the first quarter report to open it, and create a new line at the top of the file and type after shadow copy. We're going to File and Save, and then close Notepad. We're going to double-click first quarter report to open it, verify that the text is present, and close Notepad. This time we're going to right-click on first quarter report and click Restore Previous Versions. Note that one version of the file is listed. So we're waiting here for it to search for previous versions, and there is the one. Click the previous version of first quarter to select it, and then click the Open button. This opens the previous version so you can view it without affecting the current version. Note that the text after shadow copy is not present in the file because the shadow copy was taken before we added the text. We can go ahead and close Notepad, so we're just checking that. Click Restore, Read the warning. Are you sure you want to restore the previous version of first quarter report? This will replace the current version of this file on your computer and cannot be undone. And that's okay with us. That's what we want to do. So we're going to restore. It restored to the previous version. Hit OK. Note that the list of previous file version no longer includes an instance of the file you have already rolled it back. Click OK to close the first quarter report properties window. Double-click on first quarter report to open it. And we are verifying that the text after shadow copy is not present. So it took us to the version before we made the change with the type in it. And there you go. That's how you can restore previous versions. Thank you.